right, I purchased the Skyrover X1 earlier today, and I'm getting ready to fly it here. So it looks like it's a little cloudy, or it's very cloudy, sorry. And it looks like it's gonna be some rain over there. A little windy, but not too much. But let's fly this up in the air here. Let me turn this on. Let me lower this down a little bit. And of course, there's a helicopter coming up. It's the police. It's the sheriff's office. So it's a good thing I didn't fly it right off the bat there. All right.
Home point updated.
Let me start doing a screen record. Like this is the first flight. So make sure I got obstacle avoidance all right, or bypass, or I put on brake right now. Control. Maximum altitude 393 feet. And camera. Normal. I'm just going to do normal mode. I'm going to see how it looks. And then of course there's a car coming, because why not? Right.
Take off. Home point updated.
All right, so it's recording now. So far on the screen, it looks kind of decent, the video. And there's an RC airport right up here. I don't see anybody flying over there. Oh, I think those are cars. Let me just zoom in. I think there might be a car. No, those are benches, so I'm good. That's the map I'm looking for. So there's people playing soccer there, so I'm not going to fly over there. And there it is way over there. And it's quiet too. Let's see if it'll break before when I bring the, let's see if it could not avoid it crash into the camera. Let's see if it stops. And it won't go any further. It sees that camera. Watch. Nope, it stops. Let's see, does it watch out for the trees? Yeah, it won't hit the tree. Oh, there's another helicopter way down there. All right, so I'm going to land this thing, and I'm going to try the Ray Neo glass to see if they work, which would be a major plus. All right, so let me put the glasses on and I'll be right back. All right, good news. It does work. If I could, well, you can't see here, but it does work. So let's try this again here.
Take off. Home point updated.
Let me do it. So I can see. This is great. So it's like blind outside, and I don't even have the covers for my glasses on. The only thing I have an issue is the recording is different than DJI's. Like I see that red button and it just looks a little different. So let me see if I'm about flying over this. I don't think as long as there's nobody there flying, I'll be able to fly over here. I don't see anybody flying, so I'm going for it. Like I said, I'm not doing anything cinematic or not like that. This is not the type of video it's going to be. So if I'm making it jerky, there's the soccer field where people are playing. Let me not fly over there. I don't want to cause any problems. Signal strength, 23 satellites, and it's looking pretty good. Let me see if I can find some cows. Sometimes there's cows over here. I don't see any cows. I need to fix something real quick on the screen. I want the grids. Grids. All right, so I can see. Over this, no one's playing tennis today. Dang. All right, let me try something here. I think some bugs out here. All right, let me look at that American flag here. See if I can zoom in, see what it looks like when it's closer. So there's the American flag. It's on 1. So let me change it to 3. Well, it's 2 right now. Uh-oh. There's that. There's 1. And it doesn't go any further. Go here, but it won't go there. Put to 1. Let me stop the recording real fast. All right, so it'll let me switch over to this. So that's if you want to do like a TikTok video. So let me stop that. Put it back to here. It's got different settings, normal, night. See what night looks like. Well, it's not night in here, so I can't show you anything. All right, I hear the helicopter. So let me just drop it down. That helicopter that I was here earlier, I don't want to be flying too high. Here to show my gray head. Need a haircut. All right. So this drone's pretty good. I like it. Once I start doing more places to go and try it out, it'll be great. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching the video.